How to fix Pinterest app login problem. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So let's begin. First, open your settings app, then go to apps, then find Pinterest, tap on Pinterest, tap on storage, then tap on clear cache, then go back and go to connections and go to mobile networks. Tap on access point names, tap on this three dot, tap on reset to default, then tap reset. Then go to Play Store, search for Pinterest app. Then, if instead of open, if it says update, update it to the latest version and your problem will be fixed. Also make sure you have a very stable Wi-Fi connection or maybe consider into switching to mobile data. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.